Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Even though it's Sunday, it's not all about relaxing for me today because my exams start on 21st September. In this Sunday study vlog, I'll show you how I am working to complete my syllabus. So let's dive right into it. And let's get started. My study session started at 7 am today because I woke up early. So today I am going to do the chapter quadratic equations and I am determined to complete this entire chapter today because I believe it's manageable. But I think my camera isn't manageable. To complete this chapter, I relied entirely on NCERT book. I completed the exercise 4.1, 4.2 and 4.3 questions along with the examples that was provided in the beginning of the chapters. I think the questions was quite good. I mean the level of the questions, and whenever I have doubt in any question, I turn to my go-to resource, which was YouTube. Then I remembered my teacher has asked us to draw the diagram of brain and it was supposed to take just 10 minutes, so I don't want to take a risk. That's why I decided to get it done quickly. और अब जब मैं ये ब्रेन का डायग्राम बना ही रही हूँ तो सोचा तुम्हें कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स भी बता दूँ अबाउट ब्रेन. ब्रेन इज़ द हाईएस्ट कोऑर्डिनेटिंग सेंटर इन आवर बॉडी. ब्रेन को एक बोनी बॉक्स प्रोटेक्ट करता है जिसको हम लोग स्कल या फिर क्रेनियम बोलते हैं. ब्रेन इतना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है कि इसको 3 मेम्ब्रेन सराउंड करता है विच इज़ कॉल्ड मेनिंजेस. टुगेदर विथ इन मेम्ब्रेन्स के बीच में और मेनिंजेस के बीच में जो स्पेस होता है उसमें फ्लूइड प्रेजेंट होता है जिसको हम लोग सेरेब्रो स्पाइनल फ्लूइड बोलते हैं, जो कि हमारे ब्रेन को मैकेनिकल शॉक्स से बचाता है. ब्रेन ब्रॉडली 3 रीजन्स में डिवाइड होता है: फोर ब्रेन, मिड ब्रेन एंड हाइंड ब्रेन. सेरेब्रम और फोर ब्रेन इज द मेन थिंकिंग पार्ट ऑफ आवर ब्रेन. देन कम्स द मिड ब्रेन. मिड ब्रेन का काम होता है रिफ्लेक्स मूवमेंट को कंट्रोल करना, द मूवमेंट ऑफ आवर नेक एंड हेड, स्पेशली जब हम कुछ देखते या सुनते हैं. और फिर हाइंड ब्रेन आता है जिसमें पोन्स हमारे रेस्पिरेशन को रेगुलेट करता है. सेरेब्रम हेल्प्स इन मेंटेनिंग द पोस्चर एंड बैलेंस ऑफ द बॉडी. और मेड्यूला जो होता है वो कंट्रोलिंग सेंटर होता है ऑफ ऑल द रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन सच एज कफिंग, स्नीजिंग और सैलिवेशन, ऑल्सो वोमिटिंग. And just like that, you have learned the main parts of the brain in seconds. I guess my diagram looks pretty good, right? After completing this diagram, I took a short break with some makhane. Then I got back to study. Then I have to complete these 2 videos as I wanted to thoroughly understand the topic nature of the roots. I think it was a great decision to watch those 2 lectures from Byju's because ma'am shared a really interesting trick that I want to tell you about now. See, we all know that कि जब डिस्क्रिमिनेंट का वैल्यू 0 आता है सो वी गेट द नेचर ऑफ रूट्स रियल एंड इक्वल. तो जब रूट्स इक्वल आ रहे हैं सो वी कैन यूज द आइडेंटिटी a माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर और वी कैन यूज a प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर. दिस विल हेल्प यू टू अवॉइड दोज मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट कैलकुलेशन और यू डोंट नीड टू अप्लाई द क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला टू गेट द रूट्स. एज यू कैन सी कि मैंने यहाँ पर a माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर का आइडेंटिटी यूज किया है एंड आई गॉट द रूट्स इजिली. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो use this approach. After completing everything, I wanted to test my understanding. So I gave myself a quick test. So for this, I reviewed the last video of the series which had total 12 PYQ questions. I also calculate my score and I got 9 out of 12. The 3 marks I missed were due to the minor mistakes. After finishing all the math work, I took a 30-minute break. Then I moved on to completing the bio chapter 2, control and coordination. I had already covered the human endocrine system in the morning, so I focused on the human nervous system and the control and coordination in plants. For understanding this chapter, I studied from Roshni ma'am from the channel Learno Hub. This section took about 2 hours to cover and I completed it in 3 hours. After that, I took out my all-in-one book of science and worked through the questions. I started by reviewing the chapter at glance and then I read out the answers and the questions. In total, I focused on the 40 questions given in the very short and short answer. Someone was asking me whether I have purchased reference book or not. For now, I am not using any reference book. I am sticking to the NCERT and the book I already have. Once I finish all my syllabus, I will buy sample paper for additional practice. And guys, let me tell you something interesting. Today I ended up studying 8 hours. Though I don't usually focus on the number of hours, Instead, I believe in completing the targets. But yeah, it was really satisfying to mark off the things I completed today. And if you found this video satisfying or motivating in any way, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.